And, what we like to think about, again, getting back to, is helping companies think through how to protect what they have, but also think of, offensively and defensively, such that you're not subject to a surprise, right?
Oh.
Where somebody has acquired rights to something that you haven't protected.
Yeah. Have you worked with, I know you were on a panel with Ken Newman and Keegan, and have you worked with any of those people?
Yeah. We work, so Keegan Caldwell, we work with Caldwell all the time. We have a lot of crossover clients, and they are, I guess I would say they're a really reputable firm that's doing very innovative work, and is similar, and helps their clients think through the strategic opportunity of where and when and how to write those protections.
Yeah. And you didn't have on the stage the gentleman who I had mentioned, which was Kary Oberbrunner. So Kary has this company, Easy IP, which uses blockchain to essentially document first use, both either privately or publicly, which I thought was fascinating because people could index all their IP or their IP concepts and then put it into motion where they see it most valuable.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've heard of that really before then. I just thought it was an interesting way of being able to, come up with a monetization plan, but early, and then have the evaluation done, and this one, and this one be extraordinarily valuable, and get the patent in process. Does that sound like a good strategy for people to consider?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, yes, and I was aware of those guys, and what they're doing, I think, is super interesting. I mean, obviously, software and machine learning is helping to change the way that this business operates, and do it more efficiently. I think that there's a place for that. I think that, certainly for small companies that don't have a ton of resources, and, certainly they're not going to have a dedicated resource or even close to that for thinking about this. And so it's a huge value add in that case, in terms of as you said, kind of taking the, what would it's both strategic and tactical, right? They're providing the sort of the operational value of being able to document
Yeah.
these ideas, but